Today I want to talk about the wonderful pine woods on the edge of Grantown on Spey. To me, they're one of the best things about the town. The road we're staying on this week on holiday is actually called Woodside Avenue, and that's very apt. If you go walking in the woods in the morning, you'll see people walking their dogs, running. I'm sure those woods add hugely to the quality of life of the people who live here. When I first came here, I thought, well, here are some wonderful woods with mature trees, um, mostly Scots pine, a bit of birch, a bit of oak. They're ancient Caledonian forests. But it actually turns out that's not quite the case. Grantown on Spey is, of course, a new town. It was created by the local landowner, Sir James Grant, in 1765. He laid out the town on a grid. He invited people to come and live and pay him rent, of course, but set up businesses, industries. But within a year of him founding the town, and before the first house was finished, he and his estate had actually set about creating this woodland, Anagach Woods, on the edge of the town. And to do that, they transplanted trees, Scots pine, birch, and oak from Abernethy Forest on the northern edge of the Cairngorm Mountains. And if you come here today, you can really appreciate the fruits of their labour. To me, it shows amazing farsightedness of the landlord that even before the first house was finished, he saw the wood as being a crucial part of the new community that he was seeking to create. Today, my former colleagues in the Woodland Trust spend a lot of time and a lot of effort trying to create new native woodlands. Well, this must have been one of the first cases in the modern age of a landlord seeking to do just that. And I think we can today be very grateful to Sir James Grant for what he did.